Hey, are you waiting for your perfect time? You want to start a business, learn a language, or fix your life, but you wait. You wait because you are a dream drawing. Dream drawing is when your dream is so big it scares you. You look at the billionaire and think, I can never do that. This is big thought you give you anxiety. So you do nothing. You stay in your room feeling heavy. Billionaires don't start with a billion, they start with a teeny move. They use the power of fun. If a task takes less than 1 minute, do it now. Don't think. Thinking is the enemy of doing. Most people are mirror stuck. They worry, what if I fail? What will they say? The rich don't care. They know that a small done is better than a big plan. A messy start is better than no start. Here are three simple rules for today. Stop the dream drawing. Don't look at the top of the mountain, look at the one rock in front of you. Second, the 60-second start. If you want to work out, just put on your shoes. That's it. Three, no seed shouting. Don't tell people you are starting. Just start. Your life is not a movie. You don't need music and the big plan. You just need to move. Stop thinking, start winning. Mind messy, maybe. Quote of the day. A thing is just a worker who never stopped moving.